Side of the field. 32-19 in favor of red. Here goes 5:09. They score another 3-point one. Blue Alliance looking to get all those points. They're taking it early, going up. Over on the Blue Alliance side, they're looking to score those points in the end game. Going up goes 59-62. Persevere, but can they hold on? They're hooked and latched with 40 seconds to go. They're still climbing. They need to stay up for those points to count. They're still staying up and hanging on with 30 seconds to go. 17:57 backs away with 20 seconds to go. The Red Alliance is coming back. Red Alliance has one bot up on level 3 with 20 seconds to go. It's 44-25, 15 seconds to go.